Hi, this is Michael Tallis with the Tallis Team, standing in front of our latest listing, 540 Shorebird Circle in Redwood Shores. Let me turn the camera around and show you the place. So the address is in Redwood Shores. It's a community built in 1980. It's a pretty large place, 192 units. And this unit is pretty unique. It's a single story, and the number is 21106. Single story, 2-bedroom unit, 1,413 square feet. And when you enter, let me close the door behind me. Through the corridor, you're getting into the living room. Wood-burning fireplace. And what's unique about this development, it's surrounded by a pond. Kitchen. Open floor plan. A really large public area. That is open to the patio. You have 2 sliding doors here. So you can catch the breeze. Very inviting patio. And it has a glass to protect this patio from the wind. If you know, Redwood Shores sometimes gets quite a bit of wind. And if you look over this glass, hopefully you can see the resident ducks here. Let's go back inside. The dining area with a view of the pond. And the kitchen. Very modern design. So let's go check master suite. At the entrance, you have double sinks. And master suite has a stall shower. closets here at the entrance. And now we're in the bedroom. And there is another closet here next to the bed. Master suite is connected to the patio. And like every room here has a nice view of the pond. Back to the corridor. And we're walking towards the laundry area. And continuing to my left, hallway bathroom, dual sinks, and a shower over tub. And finally, second bedroom. And like every room in this unit, it's opened to the pond. And looking from another corner. Now let's walk outside. As we exit, right across the walkway, there is a garage. This is entrance for people, and the other side is for the cars. Here inside, you have space for 14 cars, and it's a secured garage that is being taken over by ivy, like living in a jungle. Continuing out, here is another side of the pond, and it has a few fountains. And a sitting area. What is unique about this building that it sits in the second row away from the public parking. So it's way quieter than other buildings that are facing the area where people drive in and out. This development has multiple sitting areas. A lot of them are right on water, and it feels like you'll truly live in a park. And from here, going to the open parking area, we're getting to one of the two pools that are located in this association. Let's check the plan. That's the map of the association. And from here, we're getting to one of the pools. And this one is located right next to one of the channels through Redwood Shores and open to water, and it even has a dock. Hope you like this unit and would like to make it your own. It is a blessing to live in surroundings like this, living in a park right in the middle of Silicon Valley. My contact information is in the description of this video. Call me, text me, let me show you the unit in person.